Please subscribe to Millen's Perception and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.
In this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can do keyword research to rank your YouTube video. I'm going to give you 3 practical steps so you can apply to your YouTube channel and you can get more views and more subscribers. So my name is Milind and you're watching my YouTube channel, Millen's Perception. Welcome you all to another video. Before starting video, I tell you that if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get such kind of videos regularly. So before beginning to our video, I would like to show you the screenshot of my video. You can look at here and you can see that how after doing keyword research and applying that research in my video, how my video ranked. You can see that in the month of July, my video got more than 50,000 views. So I think you got the idea that how research keyword or keyword makes a sense to grow your YouTube channel. So what is the research keyword? So research keyword means that if a person is typing something on Google or on YouTube, and when he got information and when he got videos, list of videos and list of information on both Google and YouTube. So that is called keyword. For example, if I type best black shoes, so this is the keyword. How to make paneer, this is the keyword. How to make paneer masala, that is the keyword. Or how to learn English, that is the keywords. So whenever a person types it on both Google and on YouTube, whatever information he search, it depends on that keyword. So if this keyword included in your video, the person will get your video. So in this way automatically it will rank. So that keyword should be in your title, in your description and in your tag section. So there are 2 types of keyword. One is the small keyword and the second one is the bigger keyword. So I am going to tell you that where is the competition and what keyword you should search. So what is the small keyword? Small keyword means that how to make paneer. So if you search on this, you can get that a lot of are there because it is a that a small keyword gets a lot of traffic and but there is a lot of competition is also tough competition is also because the major YouTubers have already made video on that, and if you go for the smaller keyword, definitely your video will not rank. Therefore you have to go to the longer keyword. For example, how to make a paneer in 2020, the best way to make paneer. So this is a long keyword and here is a less traffic but very less competition, and here your video will rank. So in this video I am going to tell you the 3 steps. So in this way you can do your research on keywords. But first you must understand your niche. You must identify your video that where you are best and where you want to make video. So without wasting any further time, let's move to my computer screen.
The second way to do keyword research and keyword planner is that you have to search on Google keyword everywhere free. Then you can see on the ad section, it is the alternative of keywords everywhere, and actually it is a free, and below it is the original website. So first we are going to show you the free alternative of keywords everywhere. You get this surface and you have to click on the add to Chrome section, and after that you have to click on the add to the Chrome, and now it was checking and you have to click again to add to extension. So after that it started downloading its file. You can see on the right corner, and within a second it downloaded, and after that you have to sign in. Actually you have to sign up, and I have already signed it with my email id, so you can use either Google address or any other address. And after that I have already signed it, so now you can click on the try it out. And here again I will search some keywords, for example how to learn English. So after clicking it, you can see here the search, and at the right corner you can see here the result, and you can see that how to learn English speaking. You can see that per minute 1600 people are searching these keyword. And these are the another topics we can see here: how to learn English grammar, how to learn English fast speaking, and you can get that numbers of the volume that people are searching on per minute on Google. And so therefore you can make a video on how to learn English speaking, and you can also add the below all these keywords into your tag section. So in this way, when you make a video, it will rank on YouTube. So now let's go to the third thing, that is the keyword everywhere. So after clicking on it, you will get it keywords everywhere, and again you have to install on the Chrome. So as I have told you that the alternative of keyword everywhere were free, and there are little bit pricing also, but in the free section you will get all the things. But keyword everywhere, again you have to click on here to add to extension, and then automatically it comes this window, and then you have to write down your email, so you will get the API key. So you have to write down your email, and then you have to click on it. So I have put my email, and I got the API score. So after that you have to click on the extension, and then you have to click on the keyword everywhere. So I was talking that keyword everywhere alternative is free, and if you want to go to the pro version you can go for it, but the keyword everywhere is actually the not that much of free. Okay, so after that, after you get the API score, you have to write down here the API key, and then you have to click on the validate, and then you can see that here the validated all. So after that you have to again click on here, and you can search on any topic. For example, again I have searched. So again I have searched that how to learn English, and here is the search website, and at the right corner you can see that related keywords are here. So you can find out that how much keywords are there, and you can put them into your tag section. But here if you want to go for the analytic, and you have to go to the settings, and after that page analytic, and here you can say that it asking for payment. So it is not free as the alternative of it, so keep in your mind. So
I hope that you understood the three ways that how you can do your keyword research, and you have to apply that research in your title of your video, description of your video, and the tag section of your video. And I really promise you that your video is going to rank. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and also watch my another videos. Thank you very much.